Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the Redlife 9-tier foldable shoe rack organizer, a versatile storage solution that can accommodate up to 36 pairs of shoes, including men's and women's sizes up to 15, and even features a 2 large grids heightened design perfect for storing long boots. This shoe organizer for your closet is incredibly easy to assemble with its integrated structure design, requiring no tools, and offers a simple setup with interlocking pieces for a secure and stable unit. The shoe rack's 9 tiers, equipped with lids and wheels, make it easy to move and clean, while the clear compartments allow you to quickly identify and locate your desired footwear. Beyond shoes, this tall organizer is perfect for storing accessories, toys, or household items, making it a versatile addition to any home. With its transparent compartments, you can neatly store and display your shoe collection, adding both functionality and style to your space. And remember, if you encounter any issues, our dedicated support team is always ready to provide professional assistance and ensure your satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.